How to send a friend request on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can send a friend request on Facebook. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to send a friend request on Facebook, these are the methods you can follow. It is a very easy method. So first thing is opening up your Facebook, of course, and after that you need to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be finding this in your app. So all you need to do is go ahead and locate up the friend. For that, you can go ahead and use the search bar. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, search for the friend that you want to add. And once you have searched for the friend, you will be finding this add friend option on their screen, on their profile. So all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on that option. Once that is done, you'll be finding it saying your friend request is on the way. So once that friend accepts your request, you will be friends on Facebook. So that is it. That is how you send a friend request on Facebook very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.